See, you can see us. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
So we are at IAH, which is Intercontinental Airport this morning,
Yep.
and getting ready to start on a new adventure, and we're going to tell you about it right after this.
But first, before that, I'm Daniel.
Well, good morning.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla.
And we're Hoovers on the move.
And today...
Wow. Okay. Take 15. Still rolling.
Oh, geez Louise. It's early. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla.
And we're Hoovers on the move.
Yes. And we are at IAH International
Intercontinental Airport, Houston.
Yes.
It's early. I'm sorry,
early.
people.
We had to get up at 3 a.m. this morning. So, we are here, and we're going to tell you a little bit more about that right after this. Poop. Lord have mercy.
And we're back.
Hey guys, so like I said, we're at IAH, and we are getting ready to jump on a United airplane and head ourselves to Newark, New Jersey.
Newark.
Yes.
Yep.
As you can see, we have our Cowboys gear on because
New
we're
York,
rooting them
we
on.
are coming for you.
Yes, because we have a new adventure happening that's coming up tomorrow in New York. And so anyway, we're heading in a day early. You should always do that.
If you have, yeah, if you can. Yeah,
if you can.
It's best.
it kind of saves on your travel
your stress.
anxiety, yes, and stress. Yeah, so we're fixing to hit on a plane here in just a little bit. We're hanging out here, waiting to board. We should be boarding here in about 55 minutes.
Yep.
And then we're going to
Get on out of here.
get on out of here.
We got things to do.
That's right. So we're going to bring you guys along with us, hang out with us, and that way you can see what all we're getting up to.
There we go.
Alrighty.
See you in a bit. All right, let's see. We are in Newark, New Jersey, and we need to find our luggage now.
It's supposed to be somewhere there.
Up there.
That's pretty wild. Airport we've never been in yet.
We have arrived.
Somewhere.
Ready, New York. Coming for you next. Got it on.
Sporting them Dallas.
On the number 3, we're getting closer. Oh, geez. Yep, not here yet. Luggage achieved.
Yes.
To the exit.
Now time to get an Uber to the hotel. All right, guys. We have made it to home, which is our room for the night. So we will not be unpacking at this moment. But I wanted to show you guys what is available here. And so right here at the door, you have the evacuation plan. In case something was to happen, when you turn to the right, you're gonna have a nice refrigerator. Wow, I like. Drawers, look at this. Drinks, microwave, dishwasher, plates. I even gave us 2 beautiful bottles of water. So if we wanted to make some coffee, no peeky peeky. Then you have the restroom. And voila. Look at this. This is the shower. Wow. All right. We got conditioner, shower gel, shampoo, all different kinds of things on that shower head there. And then you have, oh, well, hello. the nice sink, and all that good stuff.
You got my shower gel?
Got your shower gel. Come out of the bathroom, and we have a nice little table and chair. This is a connecting room if it needed to be for our family. We have couches. Look at this, a couch, an ottoman. Lots of plugs. Look at this. We got plugs over here. We have this full-length mirror right here against the wall. I'm digging it. This is New Jersey, by the way, guys. We got a big screen TV.
It's next to New York.
Another desk. What's going on here? We're desked out.
See ya.
Oh. We can even make this into a 2-room.
Living room.
Living room. Bedroom. There's even plugs in all of the lamps that I have seen.
Yes.
If you take a look, all the plugs. That's a cool lamp.
And all these are plugged.
And then we have plugs on the wall. We have plugs in the table. I mean, we have plugs everywhere. We have a cute little closet.
This is definitely not a cruise ship.
Definitely not a cruise ship. This is large.
We got a dishwasher.
I know. I'm shocked.
It's a dishwasher.
Why do we have a dishwasher?
I have no idea.
Well, we're going to bring in our
Stuffs.
suitcases because they're out in the hallway. Funny thing. And we're going to see what we can get up to. But we are in Home to Home. It is over here in Newark Airport area. And this did cost me about $190 through hotels.com. Not sponsored in any way. We paid for this on our own. But this is going to be our home for the night until tomorrow. We haven't told them what we're doing yet.
Oops. I think I just gave it away.
I think he did. So tomorrow we have a ship inspection with Tommy and Carnival. And we're going to be doing that. And then we're also boarding the ship and for a nice 7-day cruise going all the way from New York to Bermuda. So we're going to bring you guys along with us now that you know that sneak peek. Stay tuned, please. Make sure you're hitting that thumbs up, ringing the bell, and notifying your friends because he's just looking at me. Because we got lots of content coming. So
we got lots coming. So
yeah. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Get checked, get thumbs up, get subscribed, get all that. And yeah.
Help us out.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Exactly. Bye.
See ya. All right. Well, we got all our stuff put up in the hotel room, and me and Mama is hungry because we really hadn't had anything to eat today. And yeah, that's where we are right there. Fairfield, home to, that's, we're at that one there. But they're actually right next door to each other. So, yep, we're gonna go get us something to eat. We got an Uber on the way, probably a minute or so away. And we're going about 2 miles down the road. Go get us something to eat. Go get us some cornbread and some soul food, and then we'll go from there.
A few moments later.
All right, so here we are. We found us a place here downtown. And it's called
Cornbreads.
Yep. Here in New Jersey. And that is crazy. Check out that fish and cornbread, macaroni and cheese, and some yammers.
All of this for $27.
It's soul food there, baby.
This looks so good.
And of course, you know, with me and Mama, we will be splitting that because that is a lot of food for us.
I don't want leftovers.
Yeah.
So We're gonna chow down.
Yep. We'll be back when we're done.
Yep. Well, good morning, everybody. I am currently sitting down in the home-to-home lobby area, and I'm going to show you the breakfast. Take a look. I mean, I got fruit and a nice little sandwich, egg, cheese, sausage with some cranberry orange juice, and very healthy. They have lots of options of waffles and different types of things. So anyway, in a little bit, we're going to be headed over to the ship. So, with that being said, I'm going to eat.
So I'm sitting here eating, right? I gotta show you guys this. Husband walks in, being outside, says, I think I might go pick me up something.
Look what he gets. Apple
What?
juice and Apple Jacks.
Hey, nutritional breakfast there. What's wrong with that?
How old is he?
Mine.
That's what our granddaughter eats.
Got good taste. Across from New Jersey into New York. Just come out of the tunnel. I can see clearly now.
Yeah, welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York.
Look at this. There's our ship right there. And it's parked next to the Intrepid. That's pretty wild.
Got them jets up there.
We'll have to go up there on the very, very top deck up there so then that way we could see over.
That's a model of a bomber up there. Yeah, here we are, downtown New York City, people. We are at the cruise terminal docks down here. New York City. And there she is. Beautiful, beautiful Carnival Venezia. That's going to be our home for the next week. She just right up here to the window.
We're in New York.